Ever wish there was a magic wand that could instantly streamline your business, fill your appointment book, and free you up to do what you love? What if I told you that such a tool, or something very close to it, actually exists and is transforming the way service-based businesses operate? For many entrepreneurs and professionals in the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries, managing appointments, clients, payments, and marketing can feel like juggling a dozen flaming torches. The phone rings constantly, voicemails pile up, scheduling conflicts emerge, and keeping track of client history becomes a monumental task. This administrative burden often eats into valuable time that could be spent on providing services, enhancing client experiences, or even just taking a much-needed break. It's a common challenge, whether you're a bustling salon, a serene spa, a high-energy fitness studio, or a specialized clinic. The good news is, in today's digital age, there's a powerful solution designed to conquer these very challenges. Vagaro. So what exactly is Vagaro Booking? In its simplest form, Vagaro is a comprehensive cloud-based business management platform specifically tailored for the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries. Think of it as your all-in-one digital assistant, a central hub that handles everything from online scheduling to payment processing, client management, and even marketing. It's built to simplify your life, boost your revenue, and ultimately, help your business thrive. Let's break down the core components of Vagaro and explore why it's become such a vital tool for so many businesses. At its heart, Vagaro is renowned for its effortless online booking system. This is a game-changer for both businesses and their clients. For clients, it means no more frustrating phone tag or waiting for business hours to schedule an appointment. They can simply visit your custom booking page, accessible 24/7 from any device, browse your services, view real-time availability, select their preferred staff member, and book their slot, all within a few clicks. Some businesses even allow clients to prepay for services, further streamlining the checkout process. This convenience drastically improves the client experience and often leads to higher booking rates. For businesses, it means a significant reduction in administrative tasks. Your calendar fills up automatically, even while you're busy with clients or enjoying your downtime. Beyond just booking, Vagaro offers seamless calendar management. Gone are the days of messy paper calendars and scattered appointment books. Vagaro Pro provides a clear, intuitive, drag-and-drop calendar interface. You can view your entire day, week, or month at a glance, easily reschedule appointments by simply dragging them to a new slot, and even manage staff schedules with color coding for ultimate clarity. This advanced calendar functionality helps maximize efficiency, minimize no-shows through automated reminders, and gives you a bird's-eye view of your business operations. But Vagaro is more than just a scheduling tool. It's a robust client management system. Imagine having all your client information securely stored in one place, not just contact details, but their entire appointment history, service preferences, product recommendations, and even notes on allergies or special considerations. Vagaro allows you to build detailed client profiles, enabling you to personalize every interaction and provide an exceptional, tailored service. This level of personalized care fosters stronger client relationships and encourages repeat business. For any business, payments and financial management are crucial, and Vagaro integrates these seamlessly. It offers its own integrated point-of-sale (POS) system, allowing you to process payments securely and efficiently, whether in person with a card reader or online. You can store client credit cards on file for faster checkouts and even set up recurring payments for memberships or packages. What's more, Vagaro provides comprehensive reporting and analytics, giving you valuable insights into your business performance. You can track income, identify popular services, monitor staff performance, and understand customer acquisition trends, all of which empower you to make data-driven decisions for growth. Another powerful aspect of Vagaro is its integrated marketing and loyalty tools. Attracting new clients and retaining existing ones is vital. Vagaro helps you achieve this with features like automated email and SMS marketing campaigns. You can send appointment reminders, post-visit thank you messages, birthday greetings, and even special promotions directly through the platform. The ability to create daily deals and showcase your services on the Vagaro marketplace also provides excellent visibility to potential new clients in your area. For loyal customers, you can create membership programs, sell gift certificates, and offer packages, all designed to encourage repeat business and increase customer lifetime value. Vagaro also understands the importance of a strong online presence. It offers customizable booking pages that reflect your brand, and for businesses looking for more, there's even an option to build a full custom website through Vagaro My Site, which integrates seamlessly with all your booking and management tools. This means your online presence is not just aesthetically pleasing but fully functional, driving direct bookings and sales. For businesses with multiple staff members or locations, Vagaro scales effortlessly. Its advanced features allow for the management of multiple employee schedules, commission tracking, and detailed payroll reporting. This comprehensive approach means that as your business grows, Vagaro can grow with you, adapting to your evolving needs without requiring a switch to a new system. While Vagaro offers a wide array of features, it's generally structured with a base monthly subscription that varies depending on the number of bookable employees. Additional features like a branded mobile app or advanced marketing tools may come at an extra cost. They also offer a 30-day free trial, allowing businesses to explore the platform and see if it's the right fit. In essence, Vagaro Booking is far more than just an appointment scheduler. It's a holistic business management ecosystem designed to empower businesses in the beauty, wellness, and fitness sectors. By automating tedious administrative tasks, providing robust client management, streamlining payments, and offering powerful marketing tools, Vagaro frees up valuable time and resources. It allows professionals to focus on their craft, deliver exceptional client experiences, and ultimately, achieve their business goals. It's about transforming chaos into calm and potential into profit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.